Welcome to this guided demonstration of the Geosteering Trainer web-based application, specifically developed to support interactive learning and subsurface interpretation. In the following walkthrough, I will demonstrate how to effectively practice identifying reservoir boundaries by using just two essential datasets, the well trajectory and the gamma ray log. We'll examine three randomly generated training scenarios, each offering a unique learning opportunity to build geosteering skills. To begin, I carefully observe the overall shape of the well path and analyze the corresponding gamma ray curve response. Based on this observation, I draw my interpretation of the top reservoir boundary, placing it precisely where the gamma ray values begin to deviate. Once the interpretation is complete, I reveal the actual solution and compare it directly with my estimated boundary in order to evaluate the accuracy of my reasoning. This immediate feedback loop highlights the areas where I was on target, as well as where adjustments could be made to improve future interpretations. Moving on to the second example, we encounter a different structural situation where the reservoir top is shaped in a more complex or irregular fashion. Even though the structure is different, the methodology remains consistent. I once again study the variations in the gamma ray readings and adapt my top boundary placement to fit the data. After completing the drawing, I view the correct solution and instantly recognize the contrast between my initial estimation and the true geological configuration. Now, in the final and third example, I face a more subtle and demanding situation. The gamma ray response is less obvious, which requires a more thoughtful and careful approach in order to place the boundary as accurately as possible. Once finished, I display the actual solution and take a moment to reflect on how my interpretive skills have evolved through each step of the training. This Geosteering Trainer application is purpose-built for newcomers, students, and early career professionals, providing a practical and intuitive way to strengthen their understanding of reservoir boundary detection. Each practice scenario is unique, offering infinite replay value and real-time feedback that sharpens interpretation with every attempt. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this overview.